the snow pearl of Erzurum. Ise zipped her bright red coat up to her chin. Wow, Arda! It's even colder than I thought, she whispered, watching snowflakes drift across a bustling train station platform. Arda, her cousin, smiled. Welcome to Erzurum, Ise. It's known as the Pearl of the East, but it is famous for its crisp, snowy winters. It's so grand. Ise looked out the car window. Huge, white mountains rose in the distance. Is this why everyone comes here? Arda pointed towards the tallest peaks. That is Palandöken Mountain. It's one of the best places in Turkey, and maybe the world, for skiing. The snow quality is amazing. Soon, Ise and Arda were gliding down the slopes, laughing as the cold wind whipped past them. Palandöken was a perfect playground. Faster, Arda! This is incredible! Ise shouted as she carved a turn through the pristine powder. After their morning adventure, they headed back to the city center, where tall, historic stone walls stood proudly against the winter sky. Erzurum has been important for thousands of years, Arda explained. Now we visit the heart of its history. They stopped before a magnificent structure with 2 towering minarets. This is the Kifte Minareli Medrese, Arda announced. Look closely at the tiles and carvings. This school was built in the 13th century, and the twin minarets are covered in beautiful brickwork designs. Ise traced the detailed patterns with her glove. Next, they walked a short distance to the Yakutiye Medrese. This building was even larger and held a museum. Yakutiye is another historical gem, Arda said. It has a stunning conical roof and was originally an Islamic theological school. See the delicate ornamentation on the portal? That afternoon, they visited a small, warm shop filled with the scent of fine dust. This was where the local specialty, OLTU stone, was crafted. Erzurum is the only place in the world where you can find this unique stone, the craftsman told them. Arda picked up a finished piece, a shimmering deep black prayer bead. OLTU stone is famous because it shines beautifully when polished and feels warm when worn against the skin, he explained. It's mineralized wood, which is why it's so lightweight and easy to carve. Later, sitting at the dinner table with Nine Ise happily ate a bowl of kag kababi, a local meat delicacy. Erzurum isn't just mountains and stones, Nina Ise chuckled. It's about warm hospitality, history that touches the sky, and food that warms the soul. As the sun set, painting the vast eastern horizon pink and gold, Ise gazed out the window one last time. From skiing down Palandöken to walking through 700-year-old schools, Erzurum had shown her its freezing cold beauty and its incredibly warm heart.